In this video, I'm going to show you how to set navigation preferences in Slack so you can customize the sidebar and make Slack work the way you want it to. If you spend a lot of time in Slack for work, teams, or communities, adjusting your navigation preferences can seriously improve your productivity and help you focus on what matters most. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end of the video, you'll know exactly how to turn navigation items on or off in just a few clicks. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Slack. You can do this either in your web browser or using the Slack desktop app. Once Slack loads, you'll be on the Slack homepage, where you can see your channels, direct messages, and workspace layout. This is your main starting point. From here, look toward the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile icon with your photo or initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click it, a menu will pop up with several different options related to your account and settings. In that menu, click on Preferences. This will open a new Preferences window where Slack lets you customize how the app looks and behaves. Inside the Preferences window, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. These include things like notifications, themes, accessibility, and more. From this list, click on Navigation. This section controls what appears in your Slack navigation bar in Sidebar. Once you're in the navigation settings, you'll see a list of checkboxes for different navigation items. These options let you choose what you want to see and what you want to hide in your Slack sidebar. For example, you might see options for showing or hiding items like threads, huddles, canvases, files, apps, or other Slack features, depending on your workspace. Simply click on the checkboxes for the items you want to enable or disable. As soon as you check or uncheck an option, the changes will happen immediately in your navigation bar so you can see the results in real time without needing to save anything. Take a moment to experiment with these settings and adjust them based on how you personally use Slack. If you prefer a cleaner sidebar with fewer distractions, you can turn off items you don't use often. If you rely heavily on certain features, make sure they're enabled so they're always easy to access. Once you're happy with your navigation setup, you can simply close the Preferences window. Your changes are already saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully set your navigation preferences in Slack and customized your sidebar to better fit your workflow. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tutorials and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.